Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Apple Magic Trackpad into pairing mode. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Apple Magic Trackpad and you want to go ahead and connect it with your MacBook. How do you actually go ahead and put it into pairing mode? Now, the way that I fixed this was that I initially thought there was some sort of Bluetooth button on the Magic Trackpad, but what essentially ended up being was that all you've got to do is just simply turn it on. And so once you turn it on and you're trying to connect it with your MacBook Air, for example, you should see under nearby Bluetooth devices your Magic Trackpad appear. Now, if you don't see it appear, it might be because either number one, it's out of battery, or number two, it might be connected to a nearby device. So let's say that you have your iMac, which is within the same room, and you've connected this to your iMac before. That might be the case. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your Magic Trackpad into pairing mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.